First awardee, fourth runner-up. Fourth runner-up will receive sash and cash. And third runner-up will receive cash and sash from. Okay, let's call. We would like to request Ma'am Jean to present the award. Third runner-up goes to, well, kanina magaling performance niya, kaya nag-bihis na siya. Stores. Candidate number 2. Nasaktan ito. So, siya yung ating third runner-up. Makaka-receive ka din ng cash. So, pag-iihan, third runner-up is our candidate number 2. Second runner-up will receive also sash and cash. Second runner-up got 88%, and second runner-up goes to candidate number 3, Dan Cavalera. No, parang Miss Universe ito. Okay, tanongin natin ito natitirang dalawa. Ano naman ang pipil mo candidate number 1, kaya na lang yung number 4 natitira?
Parang dito tayo dito.
Ikaw, number 4. Ready naman ang tubig tayo, ako may matay. Okay, so pag inilas natin yung first runner-up, alam na natin yung pangalan. Kaya, first runner-up, current average score of 95%. And first runner-up will receive sash and cash also. Okay. Yung trophy, ito mananalo na sa admin. Pero babalay mo. So, first runner-up goes to candidate number 1. Number 2, wala na. Number 1. Ating first ever Palatuti leader. Candidate number 4. Number 4. Candidate number 4. Si number 1 muna. To present the award from Jean and Diane, yung buko. Siya din ang ating Bello